Hello everyone. So in this video, we will understand how to download and install the softwares related to embedded systems, robotics and IoT. I'm sharing my screen. So first of all, you have to download the softwares through the link given to you. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to download the software package. After successfully download of the file, you may see es.rar. ES is embedded system here. So you have a compressed file here. You have to extract this file and then we have to install the softwares, right? But firstly, you have to turn off the antivirus because whenever we talk about the installation part, there are a lot of exe files which actually your antivirus understand as a virus, and after the scan cycle of your antivirus, it will corrupt your software package. That is why whatever we share in a compressed form, a bundle form. So you can use WinRAR software or 7-zip software to extract this file. In my case, this WinRAR software is already installed. That is why I can see this icon, right? So I'm clicking right on the file and here we have an option of extract to ES. So if I click extract to ES, it will create one folder here only where we can see all the files which we have to install for this internship program. So let's double click on ES. Here we can see total 4 different folders. So first you have to start with this AVR Studio 6 and again double click on this folder AS6 installer full and simply you have to double click on the file. Okay. And there you will be having a many options, but let me start. Actually, in my case, it is already installed. And if I'll record this video with installation process, it will take too much of the time because this software may take up to 40 minutes to install, right? So nothing to do, simply it will ask you to click next. So every time you have to click next, 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 and once done, it will show you the shortcut icon on the desktop. In my case, it is already installed. That is why it is showing the option of modify. There is no need to crack the file. There is no need to add the license. Everything is already installed here. So you simply click double and click next, next, next. And as a result, you can see the shortcut file on your desktop. Once done, let's come back to the next one. After this, you have to install next software, that is Arduino 1.6.13. If you want to install the latest version like 2.0, you can download it from the official website of Arduino, that is arduino.cc. But I recommend to use this software because in this software we have many libraries available as compared to the newer version, because it's testing version and a lot of library files are missing there. If you already have 2.0, there is no problem. And if you are going to install, I'll suggest to install this one only. So open the folder, double click and next, 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 nothing to do. At last, it will ask you to install the driver. So simply click install, every time install. And once done, it will show you a message completed. So once completed, you can close this. Go back, 2 softwares are installed. The third one is Proteus P7.8i.exe. Double click to install. It will ask you the name of organization. So you have to skip that part. Okay. Like this. Next. I accept. Next. Now it's asking the name of company. So it's not required actually. If you do not mention anything, you can simply click next. It will proceed you to the next step. And simply again click next, next, next. And as a result, you can see the software is successfully installed. But in this case, when you install this software Proteus P7.8i, it must create an icon of this one, IS. But unfortunately, when we install it for very first time, it does not create the shortcut on the desktop. So how to create the shortcut that I'll show you here. Once your installation is done, go to the OS C or local disk C or Windows, whatever name you have in your PC. That must be the folder where all the softwares are being installed. In my case, it's OS C. So I'm simply double clicking here. And here we have two folders, program files and program file 86. If in case you have only one folder, then you don't have a choice. You have to click on the same folder. But in my case, I have a choice. I have two folders, so I'll be opening 86 one, 32-bit system. Actually, I have 64-bit system, but program files have two options, 32-bit and 64-bit. So I'm opening the 32-bit one. And here you can see Lab Center Electronics folder. Open this folder. Here you see Proteus 7. Open this folder. Here you can see bin. Open this folder. And now here we have this isis.exe file. We have many isis files here, right? But you have to select this file with blue color icon. If the icon is not showing in your case, you can see the name applications only. So right click here, send to desktop, create shortcut. If you are using Windows 11, then at last there will be option, show more options, click there and then send to desktop, create shortcut. Once you click this, you will be able to see the shortcut icon here. Okay. And then come back. Let's see which one is remaining. Yeah. So we have installed these three softwares. Okay. For now, you have to only install these three softwares, and later I will tell you, once we will start it, I'll tell you how to copy this file, the library file. And if you have curiosity, okay, let's skip. I'm telling you right now what to do. You have to open this Arduino library for Proteus. Here you have a file named Arduino tep.lib. Simply copy this. Simply copy this. And after copying this, again go back to OS C, program file 86, again same folder, Lab Center Electronics, again Proteus 7, but not bin this time. This time we have to approach library folder, open on and paste your file. In my case, it is already there. That is why it is asking to replace. So I'm not going to replace it, but you will be having the option to paste the file. So paste your file. While doing this step, your Proteus software must be closed. What I mean by closed, you don't have to open this. If your software is open, the library file is not going to update. We need to reopen the software to check it. So I'll suggest you to close the software while copying the file, right? After this, I guess you won't be having any doubts related to installation, but still if you have any doubts, you can contact us. Thank you.